Hey, if I'm on your FYP, congratulations. I'm your new tia. I'm fixing to show you how to make a pulled pork baked potato. Super simple. These are my credentials. So hit that follow button and come on, let's go. Start by grabbing some big ass potatoes and wash the shit off of them. Then grab a fork and shank the shit out of them. Almost like they owe you money or something. Now, real quick, we need to talk about weapon control. When you're holding a fork, it's best to hold it like that. Not like that. It'll slip and you'll hurt yourself. Plus, it just looks cooler when you hold it like that. People know you mean business. I mean, your potatoes know you mean business. After you've shanked the shit out of your potatoes, rub them down with a little bit of oil and tell them you're sorry. Now, I'm Latina. This is what we typically do to our men after we've tried to stab them. And just like a normal Latina would do if they refuse to accept your apology, just add some salt to those wounds. I'm using coarse sea salt. I'm just making a mess with it. Then just wrap these up really tight. You don't want to poke holes in it after you put your aluminum foil on it. Why? Because you risk getting aluminum foil inside of your potato, and when you go to take a bite, you could bite on some of that foil. I've had that happen to me before. It hurt like a bitch. After they're wrapped, throw them in the oven. Okay, you can place them in there. I didn't preheat my oven. I literally just set it as soon as I threw the potatoes in there. I set it to 425, and I'm going to let my potatoes bake for about an hour, hour and 15 minutes. And then we're just going to give them a nice squeeze and see what they feel like. And to my real life tia, please don't show this to grandma. She's going to ask me, ¿por qué andas ahí de cochina? And then I'm going to hear the, Madre Santa. Y'all, I'm sorry, grandma. I love you. Please don't be mad at me. It was my mom. She did it. I'm going to go clean. Once your potatoes are about done cooking, get your Pendeja beater 12,000 and start heating that up. Y'all didn't think I was going to use her for this recipe, did you? Now, y'all, real quick, no lie, to whoever can make me a holster for this so I can carry it right there and have it on me at all times. That way, when the pendejas want to come out, I got their asses right here. Add in a little bit of oil. Once your oil is nice and hot, add in half of a diced onion. You want about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. What kind of oil? It doesn't matter. You can use whatever kind of oil you want. You want to use avocado oil? Use that. You want to use olive oil? Use that. You want to use whatever the f this is? Vegetable oil? Use that. Then just let that saute. When I stored this, there was a reason that I did not use any barbecue sauce on it, because I knew that I was going to make some baked potatoes with it. I'm not going to fry up pulled pork that's got barbecue sauce all over it. I'm frying this up because I want it to be a little bit crispy. That was about 1.5 pounds of pulled pork. This is a really cheap meal. I spent maybe $20 on this pork ass, and it's going to feed my family about 4 times. So that's $5 worth of meat for 4 meals. Pretty damn good for a family of 6, if you ask me. Once that's nice and hot and it's got a little bit of a crispness to it, go ahead and remove it from the heat. Now pull your potatoes out of timeout. Take those out of the foil and then cut slits in them. Grab a plate, grab a potato and open that up. Add in some butter. You can add as much or as little as you want to. Then let that melt for a couple seconds. After your butter's nice and melted, go ahead and start fluffing it up and mixing it together. Add in a nice healthy serving of cheese. I'm using Colby Jack, but you can use whatever you want. Add your pork. Add some barbecue sauce. Add some bacon bits. And add some chives. Nice healthy serving of our baked potato. If y'all try this, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna go eat. You can also add some sour cream to this. So I had a surprise visitor come, and she brought me some homemade banana bread.
No judgment.